When it comes to gardening, there are lots of simple, natural ways to help your plants grow strong and healthy. One of the best methods is making your own liquid fertilizer using things you might usually throw away. Not only does this give your plants a boost, but it also helps cut down on kitchen waste. It's a great way to take care of your garden and the environment at the same time. To make this powerful liquid fertilizer, all you need are some overripe bananas or banana peels and brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use molasses instead. Start by chopping up the bananas into small pieces. If you're using just the peels, you can skip the cutting part. In a container, put a layer of banana pieces and cover them with brown sugar. Keep adding layers of banana and sugar like this. Once everything is in the container, give it a good mix. The sugar will pull out the moisture from the bananas, which is key for the fermentation process. After mixing, cover the container and store it in a cool, dark spot for at least 2 weeks. During this time, be sure to stir the mixture occasionally to help it ferment evenly. After 2 weeks, you'll see liquid forming in the container. This is your homemade liquid fertilizer made by fermenting the bananas and sugar. To use it, strain out the solid parts and keep the liquid. Since it's concentrated, you'll need to dilute it before using it on your plants. A good rule is to mix about half a liter of the liquid fertilizer with 5 gallons of water, giving you around 15 liters of ready-to-use fertilizer. This fertilizer is packed with important nutrients that plants need to grow. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps plants grow strong roots and stems, resist diseases, and produce more flowers and fruit. The fermentation process also breaks down the sugars, making the nutrients even easier for your plants to absorb. By using this natural fertilizer, you can help your plants become healthier and stronger, with better growth and higher yields. It's especially helpful for flowering plants, fruit trees, and vegetables, providing them with the nutrients they need to really thrive. If you want more tips on natural gardening and homemade fertilizers, be sure to visit our channel. We've got plenty of videos on making your own fertilizers, sprays, and other gardening tricks. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our content to stay updated.